Hey guys, Luke from DLM here today on this rainy day in Terraria, and what I'm going to do is talk to you a little bit about how to get the cat, dog and bunny license in Terraria. So once you go to your zookeeper, when you start a new world or when you've maybe built up a little bit in your world, you'll notice that she is selling a cat license, a dog license and a bunny license. Now the first thing that is worth mentioning is I don't have them because I've already spawned my cat and my dog and I'm yet to unlock the bunny license. So the way you get them to unlock is the cat license starts unlocked. The dog license, you need to have your bestiary 25% filled out or have 130 entries and not have the town dog spawned. And the bunny license, you need to have your bestiary 45% filled out or have 234 entries filled and your town bunny has not yet been spawned. When you use these items, your bunny, your cat or your dog will spawn the next day in Terraria, and they'll be able to roam around your house as free as can be. Now they get assigned to homes the exact same way NPCs do, the only difference being they can share a house with another NPC. So if you come over here to my dynasty house, you'll see my cat shares a house with the dye trader and my dog shares a house with my nurse. Now you might be wondering what kind of dogs and cats can spawn and how do I change them. So first of all, we'll look at the different types of dogs and cats you can get. So we'll go through dogs first. So you can get a Labrador, a Pitbull, a Corgi, a Dalmation and a Husky. So I have the Dalmation. Looking at cats, the cats you can get are a Siamese cat, a black cat, which I have, an orange tabby, a Russian blue cat, a silver cat, and a white cat. And then looking at bunnies, you can get a white bunny in Terraria, which is the regular bunny, an Angora bunny, a Dutch bunny, a Flemish bunny, a lop bunny, which is the kind of bunny I used to have in real life if you've watched my super old videos, and a silver bunny. Now, unfortunately, this is some bad news. It seems like the only way to get a new animal, like let's say you have a Dalmatian and you want a Corgi, currently is to kill your current pet. Now luckily you're not technically killing them because it pulls the same, the dog has left or the cat has left, as what happens when the angler is killed. So you're not technically killing them, but yes, you do have to let them take 250 damage and then in 1 to 3 days they will respawn in Terraria. So it's up to you if you want to sacrifice your virtual pet to get a cooler skin or a cuter skin for your animal if you like, let's say, lop bunnies more than white bunnies or Siamese cats more than black cats. I ain't gonna judge if you kill it because I don't really like Dalmatians. I do like Corgis and I do like Labradors though, so I ain't judging you. But that's how to get dogs and how to change your dogs and cats and bunnies in Terraria. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see y'all next time.